Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be creating this beautiful hairstyle for you guys. I hope you sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So I already moisturized my hair with a Cantu leave-in conditioner with some Jamaican black castor oil, and as you can see right now I am sectioning my hair, that's the middle of my hair, into 2 equal parts. I also did another section, a small section of hair at the side of my ear. So I'm using a very tiny little hair extension to do a French plait at the side of my ear. And I'm just going to be plaiting it all the way forward. Guys, I tell you it was a struggle, but eventually I did it. It wasn't easy at all, you know, positioning your hands to come forward, you know. It's something I've never done before, but you know. It wasn't perfect, but yeah, I did it. So I'm just gonna go on and begin to twist the, you know, the hair that I put into ponytail. I'll just begin to twist them, twist all of them, and then I'll moisturize my scalp again. So before you twist your hair, you want to put your hair into ponytail. You see the front bit, I put it into ponytail before twisting it, and then I went ahead and moisturized my scalp. So you want to make sure you get your scalp really moisturized. I moisturize my scalp with the Jamaican black castor oil. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to just begin to position the hair just the way I want it to be. You can just, you know, do it the way you want, however you want it to be. So I'm using the Eco Styler to lay my edges here, as you can see. And I'm not that good when it comes to laying of edges, but yes, I did a pretty good job. And after that, I'm just gonna use my scarf, you know, to lay my edges as well. And now I'm just, you know, putting some water at the back of my hair. You know, I spray some water at the back of my hair before applying my Eco Styler gel. And I'm just going to put a numerous amount of Eco Styler gel, you know, and then I'll go on and brush my hair, encouraging my hair forward. And I will just put everything into ponytail. So I'm using this afro bun on my ponytail. I will just position it on my ponytail, and I am loving the results so far.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
As you can see, I just went back to my edges, and you know, I'm just trying to get the edges really laid because I wasn't comfortable with the result. I just went ahead and, you know, do that again. So that's all, guys. That's all about this video. And I just went ahead and accessorized, you know, with these lovely accessories. So guys, that is all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to subscribe if you're new, and also hit the bell to get notification each time I upload a new video. So thank you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye and thanks for watching.